Okay, next project. I'm going to put a small lean-to on the back of the sawmill, which is going to be the sawmill shed, so that I can park the engine and band assembly in there under cover during the winter. So this is the first step. I've got the two corners up and we'll move on to the next job. Catch you in a bit. Okay then, end of day one. I've had it. It's very hot today. I've got the frame practically up. A bit of trimming to do, but you can see that's where the head and the engine part of the mill is going to be parked under cover. A nice sloping roof on there, covered in shingles. So carry on tomorrow if it's not raining. Okay, day two. I've got it all stitched together, the frame's all nailed and glued together as it were. Made some rafters, they're up. I'll do the end ones later on once I've got those squared away. And then tomorrow, as you see, I've got a whole lot of 1-inch boards that I cut. So hopefully we'll do the back wall and the roof tomorrow. If I don't have enough boards, well, I'll just go and cut some more on the Norwood. Well, day 3 is over. I got the rafters on and secured and the roof covered. So that's a major step there, I think. Got the old roof covered, get the walls done next. I have to cut some more 1-inch boards though for the walls. So next job is get the old sawmill going and cut up some 1-inch boards. That'll be the next job. Okay. Okay then, day 4. We got the Norwood working today and cut a log up, and we got the back board and batten started. 1-inch gap with a 3-inch batten on it, and that wood came off of one tree. The tree was 10.5 feet long, 8 inches diameter at the big end and 5.5 at the little end, and that's what came off the one tree. So not too bad. I've got another one over there. I'm going to cut that up tomorrow and continue with the project. Catch you later. Another 20 to go. That's how we get the battens done. Okay then, today, day 5 I believe it is, I finished, milled all the battens. I've got the battens up on all walls, and all walls are finished. Okay, 3-inch battens I put on it. 6-inch boards, 3-inch battens. And then I've started the entranceway there. Finish that tomorrow, I hope. And then we'll get her right inside and part and prepare the wood, protect the wood a bit. I'll use my special protector, oil, and then get the old shingles on the top there. So, looking not too bad, eh? Right, catch you later. Okay, here we are down at the woodlot. The last video for my sawmill edition protection thing there. There's my old, what do you call it, mixer, cement mixer sitting there, and that's the backhoe for the tractor. And as we scan around, you see the mill is now inside. Finished it. But I've got oil stained stuff on the boards to protect the outside there, and I done the back and finished the top. Put the shingles on. So that's that project done. On to our next one now. I don't know what that's going to be. Oh yes, I do. That tree. That's the next job. I need a 6x6 timber out of that. So that tree is the next job. Alrighty then. I hope everybody's okay, and I'll catch you all later, hey?